Are you someone who loves to travel? Do you have a family who loves adventure and exploration? We are the Traveling Frews, a family of 5 focusing on the positive, loving nature, and creating adventures as we travel this amazing planet of ours in our new Class A motorhome. We're on a mission to explore as much of this world as possible. We haven't been everywhere yet, but it's on our list. We're learning as we go and can't wait to share all our new knowledge with you. If you're looking for road trip ideas, suggestions for a day trip, inspiration for a weekend getaway, or simply just want to be entertained, subscribe to our channel, The Traveling Frews.
So we're here going, woo! Go slow.
Hot Springs Off-Road Park, located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, offers 1,242 acres of off-road trails to explore. They are as well a Harvest Host destination, and we enjoyed spending the night last night on their property. We rented side-by-sides first thing this morning for a 2-hour guided off-road excursion. This was my first time off-roading, and it was the perfect adventure for our family of 5.
What do you think?
Hot Springs Off-Road Park is an amazing place. Our guide was so friendly and helpful and made this experience so much fun. We got so muddy. The kids ages 7, 11, and 13 had such a fantastic time. I highly recommend Hot Springs Off-Road Park and hope we get to return here soon. having fun at the off-road park. Did you guys have fun renting the side-by-sides? Monty, no. Yes, he knows he's trying to get pizza over here. Yeah? Your pizza, yeah. Yeah. So this is what it's like typically on the rig.
Our next stop after lunch
Ladies'
was Bathhouse Row in Hot Springs, Arkansas, where we strolled and toured one of the 8 bathhouse buildings, the Fordyce Bathhouse, built in 1915.
Oh my goodness. Look at this.
The beautiful, yet a little creepy, Fordyce Bathhouse functions today as the Hot Springs National Park Visitor Center.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, yes. So these are the steam chambers right here.
We have to go this way.
The steam cabinet, so they would put you in there and your little head would stick out.
The Fordyce is the largest bathhouse on the row. The building cost $212,000 to build and totals 28,000 square feet. The bathhouse closed in 1962. This area was designated as a National Historic Landmark District in 1987, and by 1989, Fordyce Bathhouse was restored into a historically furnished museum. Our next destination was Murfreesboro, Arkansas, a small community with a population of only 1,500, but famously known for the Crater of Diamonds State Park. We walked around exploring the historic downtown square area and Main Street before heading on and checking into our campsite for the night. Tomorrow's adventure for us includes one of the only places in the world where you can search for real diamonds and keep anything you find. So stay tuned, and we will see you in our next video where our diamond search begins.